na, promise. Nahihirapan na ako eh. Ayun, sobrang laki nito, promise. Oh!
Malaking hito.
Lastik ng buhay ito. Ayoko na nito. My friend, get this one. It's yours.
Very good.
Bigat.
Hito day.
Hito day.
Hito day.
Share the blessing.
Happy.
Catfish coming.
Catfish too much. Too much catfish. Why you like this? Why you like this? Too much catfish.
I like this. Too much catfish. Let's like this.
Mabigat daw. Yay!
Spinning fish. Spinning fish. Masaya niya. Pinamigay lang namin yung catfish, guys. Nakaapat na ata kami. Diba, Sir John?
Apat na hito. Hito day.
Hito day.
Dami ng smoke, naglo, nag-talk, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malaman joke, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, naglo, nag-talk, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malaman joke, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng bullshit na nangyari, sige tsagaan mo lang buong biyahe. Sige sumagad na puto lang pare, edo lumipad bago lumagare. Dami patalim, galing mo magtare, bago tumilim tawagin ang pare. Bago tumikim, isipin kung bakit. Sige palihim mo lang ginagamit kasi bad time when I need to get up and don't like it, I win, making more chance. Getting high, gotta live in my own way. Downside, I believe in my own faith. The vibe is making me crazy, baby, I'm adding fade. I keep on pushing, improving till I reach average gain.
Opo Daily. Subscribe.
Alright. Change tayo ng lugar, guys. Ayan. Try naman natin maiba. Let's go. Alright. Nandito tayo sa Garhood. The famous Garhood Bridge. Ayan. Dyan tayo magpipishing. Try natin maiba naman. Right. Ito yung pain natin, guys. Halaans. Alright, ayan. Ang pagbabalik, masaya yarn. Alright, try natin dito, guys, kung meron ba tayong makukuha isda like bangus or banak or whatever it is. Kahit ano na. Pero target natin ngayon is bangus and bakoko. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. I miss this place. Yeah, I really do miss this place. Doon kami nagbabangus na, no? Doon sa ano niyan, last 2 years ago. Ayan, doon kami sumikat din. Alright. So, ayan. Guys, malinis ha. Malinis. Pag alis natin, dapat ganito rin kalinis. Okay, side check. It's around nagsipon pa 3:25 PM. And it's an empty place. Nakakamiss tong lugar na to. Promise. Alright, set up tayo. Let's do this. Hipon. Right. Let's try natin ang hipon, guys. Pagkatapos, double check. Yan. Alam ko for sure, first huli nito, hito. Let's go. Walang kalaban, walang kompetensya. Ay lang. So, pakiramdaman muna natin yung dagat. Kasi kakabalik lang natin dito. Alright, second cast. Wala eh, ubos lang yung pakain eh. Tapon natin. Dali. Teka lang, ano to? Hito na naman siguro to. Hito nga. Uy! Stripes. Fox you. First catch of the day. Alright, fox you. Right. Goods. Cast ulit. Meron palang ano dito, fox you. I didn't know. Right. Tapos tayo third time. Mabilisan lang para makadami. Right. May kumakagat-kagat eh. Pagkagat, pitik. Yan, dali. Oh, pitik-pitik lang. Paksiw na naman to. It's either paksiw or bakoko. Pero parang wala ah. Wait lang, hindi ko alam eh. Meron wala? Meron? What's this? Ay wala pala. Alright, tama tayo ulit. Alright, sumabit yung pangbangus natin guys. So wala na siyang bato. Ngayon, balik tayo rito. Alright, let's go. Yan.
One by one.
Ayoko na ng hito. Oh.
Whoa, big catfish.
Oh, very nice. I give you the catfish, huh?
Yeah, that's all. I give you this. I don't eat. I give you that.
Yeah, I don't eat. It's fine, bro. Every catfish you all have.
No problem.
I give all the catfish. Catch, ha?
Yes.
Meron? Hito. Plastic na yan, hito na yan. Oh, hito na naman. Oh. So John, ano sasabihin?
Let's catch up today.
Baka hito na naman yan. Bigay mo na. And it's a... Wah! Hito nga. Plastic na yan. Puro na lang hito. Bigay mo na siya, John. Laki, good size pa, oh.
Bro.
Alright. Bro, you want?
Come.
So, bigay mo na yung hito. Favorite nila yan eh. It's going to sunset na dito sa Garhood. Ganda ng view. Alright. Pa-sunset na siya, guys. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit. Yung huli namin, dalawa pa lang. Plastic na Garhood na yan. Anyway, the view is nice. Oo, apat na hito. Your favorite, ha? Catfish, your favorite.
Yes, catfish cut. This size is very big, huh?
Yeah. It's your day. Oh! Ang saya niya. Pinamigay lang namin yung catfish, guys. Nakaapat na ata kami, diba Sir John?
Apat na ito. Hito day.
Hito day. Oh, very nice.
Woo!
Oh yeah. Ano kaya to? Mabigat daw eh. And hito na naman. Suke.
Itong galaman dito.
Hito na naman. Another hit.
Hito.
Ang lalaki, putik na yan. Lastik. My friend, it's yours.
Again, big catfish.
Catfish, again. Okay, parang catfish na naman ito, putik na yan. Let's see. Let's see. Another one. Oh, this guy is very good. You watch my YouTube channel, huh?
Yeah, of course, of course.
This guy very happy, very happy.
I'm fishing is help them. Fishing means
Mashallah, mashallah. Alright. I think this one have catfish. This one is for you. Bigat. Heavy. Heavy. Oh, it's your lucky day. Your lucky day. Yeah, this one's for you, bro. This one for you.
I get that.
Yeah, you get this one free. Oop. Get.
The catfish market.
Yeah. Mashallah.
All catfish.
All catfish, huh? Too much catfish. Catfish province. Nakadali ako ng hindi hito. Ang laki. Super laki. Promise. At least may ulam na ako bukas kahit wala akong trabaho. Alright. Ano to? Malakas ah. Parang hito ah. What's this? I think it's a catfish again, bro. Yeah. You're lucky today. Again, this one for you. Big oh. Give to your friends. Sherry? Oh, nice. Nice boat, huh?
My government too much money, Baba. This gold every day.
Come to Dubai, Habibi.
Long time not come fish.
Yeah. Ah, very nice.
Today only catfish.
Only catfish. Grabe si Sir John, layo niya oh. Ginusto mo yan eh oh. Na-miss mo mag-crabbing kasi oh. Ayan, layo mo na. May huli kaya yan, di ko lang alam. Parang wala ah. Parang crabs. Tight kasi.
Tight? Meron mga maliliit. Grip kami na, hindi na kinuha.
Wow, meron nga. Hindi na masama.
Huh? It's not eating? No. Just now you do, just now.
This one not eating?
No. This is big size now? Eating. This is very small.
This one throw?
Yeah, so. This is
Bye.
Lapu-Lapu.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Throw. Yeah. Yan. Right. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye, next time.
You watch the YouTube, huh?
Huh?
You watch my YouTube.
Yeah, of course.
See you. Bye-bye.